Hi guys, today I will show you how to create a custom menu shortcut for any menu item in any macOS application. Many applications have already a way to create custom keyboard shortcuts for menu items. Here, for example, we are in Premiere Pro, and to create custom keyboard shortcuts, we just have to go to here to Premiere Pro, the main menu, keyboard shortcuts. Then here on the left we can create the keyboard shortcut and define the key to use with these keyboard shortcuts. However, we have applications like, for example, Adobe Bridge that does not have this kind of solution. So we need to create custom keyboard shortcuts for every menu item we need to. In this case, we would like to create a custom keyboard shortcuts for this menu, the tool menu. In particular, we need to create a custom keyboard shortcut for Photoshop and then Photo Merge, which is an option to create a panoramic image out of many pictures we have here in Bridge. So to do that, we see here that we do not have this kind of shortcut, so we need to go to System Preferences, then select here Shortcuts, and then go to App Shortcuts. Then we have to select the application for which we must create this shortcut. For example, Adobe Bridge in our case, and then hit the plus button. Here we have two fields to fill. So the first one is menu title, the second one is keyboard shortcut. The first one, the menu title, is exactly the menu item we need to create the custom keyboard shortcut. So in this case, if we go back to our Adobe Bridge, we go to Tools and then Photoshop. So the menu is Tools, Photoshop, and then Photo Merge with the 3 dots. Okay, we must remember that. So we go back to our System Preferences, and here in the menu title we must write exactly Tools, then the minus sign, the major sign, then Photoshop, the submenu item, and then minus, measure, and Photo Merge with the 3 dots. Okay. Here in the keyboard shortcut we just need to input the keyboard shortcut. So in this case I press Command, Alt, Control, and then P, and then select Add. We come back to the Bridge screen. We go to Tools, Photoshop, and then we see that Photo Merge as its keyboard shortcut. That's all for today. Please subscribe to my channel, Gagliardi Photography, and hit that like button. Thank you so much. Bye bye.